Here you go. So now we're on my phone and I'm gonna teach you how to do text on your video on TikTok. People are asking how I do it. So it's not hard, it's easy. So let's jump into this. So if you already have your TikTok apps on your phone, all you have to do is to click your TikTok apps and we start from there. All right, now you see yourself on your camera on your phone. So you see this record button. So before you push that button to record your videos, you have to make sure where you want it to put your text, here, here, or here, or no, just make a point or whatever gestures you want. If you want to make, if you want to use your fingers to point your text, or if you want to blow it or whatever gestures, it's fine. All right, so let's do this. I'm gonna record a sample. My name is Maria. I live in Japan. All right, so let's do this. All right, now I see the Maria. So you see the text there down here. All you have to do is just to click that one and type my name, Maria. All right, so once you've done, click that done, and now you can scroll your name and you can, wherever you want it to put. Since I want it here, so I'm gonna put it there. And if you want to change a color, font, and sizes, just to click that and edit it. Click the edit. Once you click the edit button, it shows you the here you see this one. If you want to put the text inside the box, just click that. And if you want to put some colors, you see there are colors here that you can choose from. You can just play around and choose what color do you want for your name. Okay, so let's say the orange. All right, you can also change the font. We have this one. You just scroll here, this one, and we have the neon, and we have the serif. All right, so if you want it, you just choose whatever font you want. All right, so let's say I like the typewriter. Okay, just say done, and now you can now put it there. Okay, so now I'm gonna type again another text that I said my name is Maria and I am from Japan. I live in Japan. So type Japan, done, and then edit. All right, so I want to put it on. If you don't want to put on the box, you can just put the you can just do the letters like that. Okay, so let's do the thing like just letters, no box. Okay, so I want to put it here, and that's all. All right, so once you've done, you can now finish your video and listen to it. All right, hold on. Now let's see how it goes. You want to listen, right? So once it's processed, I live in Japan. All right, so let's do this. My name is Maria. I live in Japan. All right, so all right, so that's how it goes when you just want to put. But if you want, my name is Maria. I live in Japan. So if you want to put pop up, just pop up and then let it go 4 seconds. There is a time duration here. You see the set the duration. So you click that and you set the duration. When you say the name Maria, you just here you see that you can just do till what you want, till when do you want your video stop. And all right, so you want to test it, you can test like that, right? You see, you can just let the name pop up before it's kind of a little bit here because you have to do the timing of your voice when you say the text that you want it to. All right, and then when you're okay with that, just click the check and then you will see. Okay, and then it comes and then the Japan is gonna pop up. So before the Japan pop up, all you have to do is to arrange again. Okay, so I think that's good. Now let's see. All right, so I'm good with that. Just click the check, and let's see. All right, see that? Okay, my name is Maria. I live in Japan. All right, so this is it. All right, so from here, then you can type your description about your video or whatever before you let post in upload it to public. All right, so that's all for today, guys, and hope you get value with this. And if you have any more questions, just let me know and I will make you a tutorial. Thank you. Bye for now.